Ethereum is changing the game of cryptocurrency. But what is it? How does it work? And what does its future look like? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about Ethereum, from its origins to how it works and how to get involved. We'll dive into the technology behind Ethereum, how to buy and store it, how to invest, and even how it plays a key role in the world of NFTs. Plus, we'll discuss its evolution with Ethereum 2.0 and what the future of this groundbreaking blockchain might hold. Ethereum is a decentralized platform that leverages blockchain technology to power smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Unlike Bitcoin, which is primarily a digital currency, Ethereum is a broader platform that supports an entire ecosystem of decentralized finance, applications, and assets. Created by Vitalik Buterin and a team of developers in 2013 and launched in 2015, Ethereum introduced the world to the concept of smart contracts, self-executing agreements that run automatically when conditions are met. This is where Ethereum really stands apart from Bitcoin. It provides more flexibility, enabling developers to create a wide range of applications that don't require a central authority. So how does Ethereum actually work? At its core, Ethereum uses blockchain technology to create a secure, decentralized ledger where transactions and smart contracts can be recorded. Smart contracts are digital agreements coded into the blockchain, and once specific conditions are met, they execute automatically without the need for an intermediary. Ethereum also powers dApps, which are applications that run on the Ethereum network without a central point of control, meaning users have more privacy and ownership over their data. Ether is the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum network, and it serves two key functions. It's used for transactions and as gas to pay for the execution of smart contracts. You might be wondering how Ethereum compares to other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Solana. Well, Bitcoin is primarily focused on being a digital currency, while Ethereum is a platform that can be used to build decentralized applications and smart contracts. It's like comparing a digital money system to an entire ecosystem of financial and digital services. Solana, Polkadot, and other altcoins are also focused on building smart contract platforms. But Ethereum is still the leader in this space due to its large developer community, established infrastructure, and broad range of use cases. If you're looking to buy Ethereum, the process is fairly simple. You can purchase ETH on platforms like Pionex. After buying, you'll want to store your Ethereum securely, either in a hot wallet, which is connected to the internet, or a cold wallet, which is more secure as it's offline. To keep track of the price of Ethereum, you can use platforms like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to get real-time updates on its value. Now let's talk about how Ethereum has evolved. Ethereum was originally based on a proof-of-work, POW consensus mechanism, which is the same model Bitcoin uses. However, Ethereum has since transitioned to Ethereum 2.0, which uses proof-of-stake, POS. This new model is more energy efficient, improves scalability, and enhances security. If you hold Ethereum, you can also participate in staking, where you lock up your ETH to support the network and earn rewards in return. Investing in Ethereum could be a long-term strategy. With the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, and dApps, Ethereum is positioned to continue growing as more people and businesses build on its network. You can also stake Ethereum to earn rewards as part of the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. As with any investment, diversification is important, so Ethereum could be a valuable part of a broader crypto portfolio. Ethereum also plays a crucial role in the booming NFT market. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that are often used for digital art, collectibles, and virtual goods. Most NFTs are built on the Ethereum blockchain, and platforms like OpenSea allow people to buy, sell, and trade these assets using Ethereum. Ethereum's market position is one of the strongest in the crypto space, and its price has seen significant growth over the years. Analysts and experts continue to predict an upward trajectory for Ethereum, especially with the ongoing development of Ethereum 2.0 and increasing adoption across various industries. However, Like all investments, there are factors that can affect the price, including network upgrades, regulatory changes, and overall market sentiment. One thing to keep in mind when dealing with Ethereum is security. There are risks involved, such as phishing attacks, scams, and hacks. To protect your Ethereum, always use secure wallets, enable two-factor authentication on your accounts, and stay vigilant for potential scams. In conclusion, Ethereum is one of the most important projects in the cryptocurrency space, with a wide range of applications that extend beyond just being a digital currency. Whether you're looking to buy and hold, stake for rewards, or dive into the world of NFTs, Ethereum offers plenty of opportunities. If you're interested in getting involved, remember to do your research, stay secure, and diversify your portfolio. Want to learn more about Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies? Don't forget to like, share, and hit that notification bell for more. And if you're ready to start trading Ethereum, check out the link below to join Pionex and start your crypto journey today.